Hey guys, it's me, Imani, Hopeless Romantic, and it's wash day. As you can see, I'm already in the shower. I let my hair get so dry over this past week. Like, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's like straw. I'm so embarrassed by how dry my hair is. I can't believe that I even let it get this bad. And so for this wash day, I'm gonna be focusing on moisture, and I will be featuring some of my favorite products. Not even some of, I'm gonna use almost the entire line from Botanical Bliss. I love the moisture that these products give my hair, and I need it right now, okay? So let's start. I'm gonna begin with this stimulating pre-poo oil treatment. I'm doing a pre-poo because my hair is so dry right now. Like, it's embarrassingly dry. Been long enough. So I'm taking this off. It's time to get down to business. A lot of people ask me if, since I have so much hair, if I wash my hair in sections. The answer is no. Oh, it feels so much better now that it's got some moisture on that. Happy hair. Now let's get it happy and clean. We're using the banana coconut hydrating shampoo. Moving on to conditioner. This is the banana coconut hydrating conditioner. Ain't no dimes as amount. Now we deep condition. I have deep conditioned. It is time to rinse, and to seal in the moisture, we're going to rinse with cold water. Look at the bounce back. Yes, I'm feeling good. My hair feels so clean. My head feels lighter, not itchy.